Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel Travel with Video. And today's video is about my new action camera GoPro Hero 7 Black. We can describe this camera as the best action camera you can buy today. It is pocketable, waterproof and 4K with the class leading of image stabilization system Hypersmooth. Let's check out the physical overview of this camera, and later on we also check the Hypersmooth and the time-lapse function. Let's also check out the time wrap function. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and after subscribing press the bell icon so you can get the latest notification.